ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಅರ್ನಬ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೇನಾ?
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್
ಗುಡ್
ಸರ್.
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3 ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, August 15th ಆ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಆ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಪ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್?
ನೀವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನೀನು ಇದನ್ನ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಗೂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು
ಸರ್? ಆರ್ಯ.
ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು
ಸರ್? 9886592419.
6598865449.
ಸರ್, 9886592419.
92419 ಕಳಿಸಿ ನೋಡ. ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಈ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್
ಸರ್, ಆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಲೀಡ್.
ಸರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಲೀಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಓಕೆ ನೋಡು. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್.
ಸರ್, ನಂಗೆ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಕಣ. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಸರ್, ಆ್ಯಪ್ದು ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್, ಆ್ಯಪ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರ್, ಆ್ಯಪ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು, ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್,
ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ವಿಷ್ಣು ದೇವ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗುರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುವೇ ನಮಃ. ಈಗ ವೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 2 ಬಿಷಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಗುರು
ಸರ್, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು B2.
ಹಲೋ, ಕಿಂಗ್ E4.
ಸರ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ E2. ಸರ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ E2.
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
ಸರ್, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು B1.
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು B.
ಸರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರ್, ಬಿಷಪ್
ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕಣ.
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು A2. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಸರ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು E3.
ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 98546646.
ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು E4.
546646. ಹಾ, ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
ಸರ್, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು C1.
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು C1. 7 ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್?
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು C1.
ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್. ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಸರ್, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು F4.
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು F4. ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು G. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆಗ? ಟು ಪುಷ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್
ಸರ್,
ಸರ್.
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು E5.
G4. ಸರ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು E5. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು E5 ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಹೇಳು, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಟು ಪುಷ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ನರ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸರ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್
ಸರ್, D6. ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು E6. ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು E6. ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು E6.
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಟು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೂವ್.
ಸರ್, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು E4. ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು
ಕಿಂಗ್
E3.
ಶುಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಕಣ. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೂವ್ ಕಣ.
ಸರ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು D4.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶುಡ್ ಮೂವ್.
ಸರ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು C4.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ.
Sir, bishop to d5.
E5 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು E5 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ ಬಿಷಪ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್.
Bishop to d4.
ಬಿಷಪ್ D4 D5 ಕಣ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್.
Sir, king to b4. Bishop to d4. Sir, bishop to d4. Bishop to d4.
ಓಕೆ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ
Sir, bishop to d4, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್.
Sir, king to c5.
King to c5. Now king will move here. What is king should move.
Sir, what if king moves to a5?
King moves to
sir,
a5 ನೋಡ.
Sir, king to c6.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಿಂಗ್.
a5 ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಿಷಪ್ ವಿತ್ 5 ಆ ಚಂದಿ ಕಚ್ಚ ಶಂಕ ಆ ಚಂದಿ.
Sir, bishop to
king
Sir, king to b4.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಈಗ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Good morning, sir.
Sir, bishop to b7. Bishop to b7.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಶುಡ್ ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Bishop to c7.
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಬಿಷಪ್
Sir, bishop to c4. c4. Bishop to c4.
b4 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Bishop to c4.
b4 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಣ. ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ
Sir, bishop to c5.
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಟು c4 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಣ. ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
Sir, bishop to c5. Bishop to c5.
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಕಣ.
Bishop to d.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಿಂಗ್.
Sir, king to d7.
AE7.
D7.
D7 ನಾವು ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ?
Sir, bishop to e6.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, king to c6.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
BE7.
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಯಾವುದು? ಬಿಷಪ್ e7 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
BE7.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗ್ ಬಂದಾಗ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಈಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Sir, bishop to a5.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಷಪ್ f7 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಟು c8. ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, I don't know what is this.
ಬಿಷಪ್ e7. ನಾವು ಈ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Sir, king to b6.
b6 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರ್ ಮೂಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, bishop to e6. Bishop to e6.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Sir, bishop to d6.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ? ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Sir, what if king moves there? Bishop to d5.
ಕಿಂಗ್ cannot move anywhere. King is forced to move to a8. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸಾಯಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ್?
Yes, sir.
ನಾರಾಯಣ್?
Yes, sir. Record.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್, ನರಸಿಂಹ ಪ್ರಭು ಸರ್.
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣನೇ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು
ಹೌದು.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಕಂಪನಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಟೆಕ್ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರನಲ್ಲಿ.
So, ಈಗ white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, rook to
Sir,
G5. Sir, rook to G5.
H8. Rook to H8.
Sir, rook to G5.
Sir, rook to H8. Oh, sorry. Sir, pawn to G4. Pawn to G4.
Pawn to G4.
RG5.
Now rook into G4.
Sir, rook to H8.
Okay. Correct.
No.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, bishop to
BE5.
E5. Sir,
Bishop to B5.
Sir, bishop to
B5.
E5.
Rook into E5.
RD8.
RD8.
Correct.
RD8.
Correct. King can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play.
Sir, bishop to H7.
Then knight.
Sir, rook.
Sir, rook to
Sir, rook to E8.
rook to E8.
RE8 ಆಮೇಲೆ R7 sir. RE8 ಆಮೇಲೆ H7 sir.
Bishop H7. Bishop H7.
H7.
Bishop H7. Correct. Now king can't move here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to C. Sir, queen to C7. Queen to C7.
The king will move here. It is possible.
Sir, rook to H8. No, sorry. Rook to C8.
RC8.
RC8.
Sir, I told that I am putting.
Now bishop to C8. It is possible into one move. It is not right.
Don't know what.
Sir, bishop to C7. Sir, bishop to C7.
Bishop to C7.
Now king will move here.
Sir,
Then queen to 8.
Then
Yes,
king
sir,
will move to
king to
B7. King to move to E7. D7.
sir, no, sir. Sir, bishop to D. Sir, bishop to C7.
Bishop to C7. Then king will move here.
Sir, now bishop to D6, sir.
Bishop to D6. Then king will move here. C7. That is also wrong.
Sir, bishop to B6 sir.
Bishop
Sir,
to
B6, sir.
Bishop
Bishop to B6.
So,
Sir, first move ಬಂದು C7 sir. ಆಮೇಲೆ B6 sir.
you know,
Sir.
Yes,
first to
it's
C7.
correct.
Now I will move here. What will you do?
Then bishop
B6.
to B6. Bishop to B6.
B6.
Bishop to B6. Now king will move here.
Sir, I told B6, sir. It is D.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ B6 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Then king can escape.
Yes, sir. So then D6, sir.
Sir, bishop to
No.
E8.
Rook sacrifice. Rook movement.
Sir, RC8.
RC8.
Sir, RC7.
RC8 is correct. Now bishop to C8. One more checkmate ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir,
Sir, bishop to B7. Bishop to B7.
Bishop to C.
Sorry, bishop to C7. Sorry, bishop to C7.
Correct.
I thought it was B. Sorry, sir. I thought it was B.
Sir, what if king kills rook?
King kills the rook, then queen c7 checkmate. Queen c7.
Mate into Pogilia Lazium. What is there in up, sir? Pogilia Lazi. What is that? No. Yeah, what happened?
White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves. Sorry. White.
What is this? Okay. No, it's okay.
QH7.
Huh? You know?
QH7.
Sir, bishop to d5. Bishop to d5.
Then look into d5.
Sir, queen to d e4. e8. Queen
Queen
to
to
e8.
e8. Then queen will come here. That is not possible. That is wrong.
No. Nope. Rook to h8.
QH7, sir.
Look
QH7.
to h8 is correct. Look to h8 is correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದದು?
Mukunda, sir.
Correct, Mukunda. Very good. So king into h8.
Sir, bishop to sorry.
QH7.
Sir, queen to h7.
QH7.
Correct. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play.
Sir, queen to a7. Queen to a7.
a7. Then king will move here. That is fine.
Sir, one more checkmate.
2 moves. 2 moves.
Sir, bishop to bishop. Bishop to h2.
Pawn to c7.
On to c7. Queen to pawn. Now correct. Correct. Now one move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir,
Sir.
Queen to a7. Queen to a7.
Queen to h7. Correct.
Sir, now but why can't king move to? Oh, yes, sir. No.
It can't.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry. White to White to play and checkmate black in 2 moves. 2 moves.
Sir, bishop to f7.
Bishop to f7. Then rook will kill the bishop. That is wrong.
Sir,
Sir, bishop to g7.
Sir, bishop to f8.
Bishop
to g7, sir.
correct. Mukund is correct. Now bishop to bishop.
sir, queen to h7.
Queen to h7. Correct.
QH7, sir.
Correct. Suppose king kills also queen h7. Correct.
Oh,
White to play and checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, rook to f8. Rook to f8.
f8. King into f8. Correct.
Sir, queen to f7.
Queen to
rook to
h7.
a1.
Queen to h7. Correct.
Rook to a1. Why not?
1 minute. Only 1 minute.
ಸಾಯಿರಾ ಏನೋ ಕಳ್ಸಿದಾನೆ
ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yeah, chess and
Yes, Shayan. What is it?
What, sir?
chess. Yeah.
Chess, yeah. Correct. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, bishop to h7.
Sir, rook to g8.
Correct, Shayan. Very good. Now king kills.
Sir, bishop to e6.
Bishop
Bishop to f6. Sir, bishop to f6.
F6 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ bishop to e6 ಕರೆ
e6.
e6 ಕರೆ now
e6.
can't come here or here correct white to play checkmate black in 2 moves
Sir, rook to h5. Sir, rook to h5.
Rook to f6. Sorry, rook to f6.
h5 knight into h5
Sir, now
Sir, can you flip the board?
white to play ಕಣ ಯಾಕೆ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು white to black to play ಆದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು white to play ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಕಣ one move checkmate
Pawn to
Sir,
g5,
pawn. Sir, pawn
to
push.
g5.
pawn to g5.
correct no king can't come here or here correct
Sir, what if? Oh, yes.
king can't kill the
King is in check.
check correct
Sir, what if? Okay.
what if
Nothing, sir. What if king cuts the king cuts the pawn, and I know that rook.
the
will
rook
kill.
will kill the king white to play checkmate black in 2 moves
White will play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, rook to h4. Rook to h4. Rook to h4.
pawn to h4
Sir, now pawn push to g4.
correct ಯಾರು ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ
Illa, sir, Arya.
correct very good correct now king can't come here or here correct white to play checkmate black in 2 moves
Sir, rook to h4.
knight into h4
Sir, pawn push to g4. Pawn push to g4.
g4 correct king can't come here or here correct one minute
Sir, YS ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರೋ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಯಾರೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್
It was me. I was doing yes.
white to play checkmate black in 2 moves
Sir, rook to a4.
a4 is correct
Rook to a4.
now pawn to a4
Sir, pawn to b4.
correct now king can't come here or here correct king can't come here or here
Sir, Sanar and ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕದ.
White's not clearing. This is a problem. It's not clearing at all.
white to play and checkmate black in 2 moves
Sir, rook to f7.
Illa, sir, knight to f6.
Sir, rook
Knight to
to
f5. Knight to f5.
Rook to f7. Sir, rook to f7.
knight to f5 is correct ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
Sir, Sainaran and who?
Arya.
Arya
Yes.
now king into
Me
rook
and Arya.
what will you do one move checkmate
Sir, pawn push. Sir, pawn push to e7.
And pawn to is
one push correct now king
Okay, let's clear.
correct White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, pawn to pawn.
Pawn to pawn tappu kana. Knight correct. Correct. Yaar helidadu?
Knight.
To C5.
Sai Naren, sir, I have
Sai
put it.
Narayan is correct. Knight c5, now pawn to knight. One move.
Sir, pawn to A6. Pawn to
Pawn
A6.
to a6, correct. Pawn to a6.
Yes, sir. Point to is.
Oh, Sai Narayan, you are marking. Very good. Very good. White to play. White to play.
Sir, knight to C7. Knight to C7.
Knight to C7.
Sir. Knight to
Then king
C7.
will come here. That is wrong. That is wrong. That is wrong.
Sir, now knight to A6, sir. Knight to
Knight
A6.
to
No,
a6, then king will go to c8. Only 2 moves are there for you.
Sir, pawn push to B7.
Sir, pawn B7, sir. Pawn B7. Pawn B7.
Pawn b7. Now king will come here. What do you do?
Sir, now bishop to G1. Bishop to G1.
Bishop to g1. Then king will kill the pawn. King will kill.
Sir, I told bishop to B1, sir. Sorry, bishop to G1. G1.
Bishop to g1.
Yes, sir.
Then king will kill the knight. King will kill the knight. That's also.
Oh.
Sorry. That is wrong. First move. Can you tell?
Sir, a pawn
Sir,
to
pawn.
Allah,
C7.
bishop moment. First move.
Sir,
BB8.
BB8.
Sir, bishop to C7. Bishop to C7.
BB8 is correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು Raghav and Sai Narayan.
Raghav. Yes, sir. Raghav.
Raghav. Now rook builds the what will you do? One move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir,
LC7.
pawn push to sir, pawn push to B7.
Allah kano. Night moment kano. Night.
Sir, knight to
C7.
C7. Sir, knight to C7. Knight to
Knight to
C7.
C7.
Correct.
Knight to C7.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to
QD6.
E6. E6.
Queen to
E6.
e6. Then king will kill the e6.
QD6.
To d6. Now pawn to queen.
Rook
Sir,
to pawn.
rook to D6. Rook to D6.
Rook to pawn.
Please.
Rook to D6.
Correct. Yeah, China, don't mark the right answer. China, right? King can't come. How is the class going on?
Sir, very
Fine,
nice.
sir.
Very nice.
Nice, sir. Nice, sir. Low.
Okay. White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves.
I know how to play chess.
Sir, rook to
RC2.
B3. Rook to
No.
B3.
RC2.
Or
Sir, rook to C2.
rook c2 is not possible. Queen has pinned it. Rook, queen moment. First moment is queen.
Queen to C4.
No, that is wrong. Queen to c4 is not.
Sir, queen to queen. Sir, queen to queen.
Queen to queen,
E5.
then knight into queen.
QE5.
No, queen. If queen to queen, then knight into queen.
That is
Sir,
wrong.
QE5.
No,
Sir,
no,
rook
no.
to
Yes, sir,
B3. Rook to
QA5.
B3.
Q
Sir,
b4.
rook to B3, sir.
Q b4.
Sir,
is
Q
correct.
D4.
Q b4 is correct. Now queen kills. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell? One more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, rook.
Sir, rook to C2.
Rook to c2. Correct. Now king can come here or here. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, knight to
NB.
Sir, knight to B4. Knight to B4.
Knight to b4. Then king will come here. That is not right.
Sir, rook to.
Queen to B7.
Queen to b7.
Queen to
king will
B7.
kill it. Queen
Queen to
to
B6.
Sir,
QB6.
queen to B6. Queen to B6, sir. Queen to B6. Sir, sir,
QB6.
knight.
b6 is correct.
Knight.
Correct. b6 is correct. Now pawn to b6.
Pawn to B6. Sir, now
Sir, now rook to
A8.
rook to a8.
Rook to
Yes,
a8.
sir, rook to
Correct.
A8.
Correct. 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 Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Sir, otherwise next move checkmate
Yes.
was happening.
White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to E4. E4.
Queen to e4. No, knight to queen.
Sir,
RF3.
Sir, rook to
RF3.
rook to
RF3
F3.
is correct. RF3 is correct.
F3.
Now king
ಸರ್
can't.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳುದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನಾ ಸರ್?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಕಣೋ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ
ನಾನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ ಕೇಳಿಸತ್ತ? ನಾನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೇನಾ?
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಕಣೋ. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Yes, sir, we can hear Raghav and you, sir.
ಓಕೆ
That's why I'm saying yes.
ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ?
ಓಕೆ. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ 2 moves. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
QH6.
No,
2h6 then rook to queen.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
no,
NH8.
it's wrong.
Sir, QG6. Sir, QG6. QG6.
King
No.
King into queen.
Mhm.
RG.
Sir, knight to h8. Sir, knight to h8.
Then king will move here. That is wrong.
RG5.
No, wrong.
RG5.
Oh,
RG5 is correct. Now king can't move here or here. Double check.
yes.
Double check.
Double check. Sir, what if? Oh,
King can't come here. So right now,
yes.
okay, look
Okay.
King can't come here.
Mm.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, bishop to, sorry,
Allah.
queen to G7. Queen to G7.
Queen to G7, then okay. Knight into G7, what will you do? That's correct. Knight into G7, what will you do? One move.
Sir,
Knight
now,
into
sir,
G7.
now, knight to
That's right.
E8.
No, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong.
NH6.
Knight to
Knight to
E7 is
H6.
wrong.
Knight to
That's
H6.
only the-
Knight to H6 is correct. Knight to H6 is correct.
Yes. It already blocked.
Now knight can't move. King can't move anywhere. Correct.
Yes.
White
King has blocked.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Queen to E8, E7, sir.
Queen to E.
No, E8.
E7 is correct. Queen to E7 is correct. Shairana Mukundan Kal.
No, sir.
Mukundan. Now can you tell me
No,
one move?
sir.
NF7. NF7.
F7.
Correct.
Sir, NF7, sir, NF7, NF7.
Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, rook to
The
G7.
queen movement. Queen movement.
Sir, queen to h7.
Queen
Yes,
to
sir,
H7.
queen to H7. Queen to H7.
Now rook into H7.
Sir, now rook. Sir, rook into rook. Rook into rook.
Rook into rook is correct. No, king can't come here. Here, correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Queen to H7, sir.
Then king into H7, what will you do?
Sir, bishop to F7.
Bishop to
Sorry,
F7.
bishop to F5. Bishop to
Then
F5.
king will move here. It is wrong.
No, it's wrong.
Sir, bishop to G8. Bishop to G8.
Bishop to G8. Okay. Then king to G8.
Sir, Then knight to f7. Knight to f7.
Correct. Very good. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Yes, sir. What I'm telling is
White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Checkmate black. Sir, bishop to c4.
Bishop to c4.
I
Sir,
don't
bishop
want
to
draw
c8.
anymore.
Bishop to c8.
C8.
Correct. Now suppose it comes here, then it is not it's not possible. No.
Sir, bishop to bishop.
Sir,
Bishop to bishop, then king will come here.
Pawn to b5, sir. Pawn to b5.
Pawn to b5. Huh?
Pawn to b5.
Now king into b5.
Sir, now bishop to c5.
c4. Suppose
c4.
bishop into b4, b5.
Sir, then bishop to c8.
Bishop to c8.
Bishop to
Bishop to c8.
Correct. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play.
Sir, knight to c6. Knight to c6.
Knight to c6.
Sir, now pawn into c6.
Yes.
Sir, now rook to c7. Rook to
And,
c7.
Bishop movement. Bishop movement.
Sir, bishop to c5.
To c5. Bishop to c5.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to f5. Queen to f5.
Queen to f5. King will move here. That is wrong.
Sir, pawn to f4. Sir, pawn to f4. Pawn to f4.
Sir, RF5.
Pawn to f4, sir.
Sir, RF5.
RF5. Pawn to f4. RF5. Then king will move here. What to do?
Sir, queen to Sir, queen to c4. Queen to c4.
Queen to c4. Then king will move here. That's wrong.
Sir, knight to
Sir, bishop to h3 after.
Rook moment. Rook g6. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Raghav.
Raghav, correct. Now suppose king kills one move checkmate here. No, that is wrong. Bishop movement.
Sir, knight to h3. Sir, bishop to h3.
Sir, bishop to h3. Bishop to h3. h3.
Now can't come here or here. Correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Rook kill ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಯಾವುದು?
Rook kill
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ rook kill.
Sir, bishop in the check ಇದೆ. Bishop in the check ಇದೆ, sir.
King moves, then
Bishop in the check ಇದೆ.
bishop here checkmate. Correct. King can't come here or here. Correct.
Sir, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ
Can I chant mantra?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
नमस्ते
शांति
शास्त्र मूर्ते शास्त्र पथक शिरोभावी शास्त्र हमने शास्त्र शास्त्र कोटि बदारणी नमः ओम शांति शांति शांति. How tomorrow we'll meet at same time. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Your class was nice, sir.
Thank
Class
you.
was nice. Clapped.
class was very nice, sir.
Thank you.
Even I can beat someone also very smart. Thank you.
I like the
for
classes.
teaching us.
Thank you.
Thank you for teaching us how to play chess, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Sai Narayan. Thank you, Raghav.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Nice.
Bye. Sir.
Bye.